Hi, I'm Katie, and today I'd like to show you our Statista consumer insights and how you can leverage on consumer behaviour data to develop, refine, or promote your product or service to your target market to make the most impact. Our consumer insights survey offers a global perspective on attitudes, consumption, and media usage across the online and offline worlds. Covering 56 countries, we speak to more than 2 million consumers regularly and understand their habits and behaviours on over 50 categories, enabling you to connect and engage your target market effectively. Our survey is designed to help you to understand how to best reach your audience, deep dive into consumers' purchase and consumption behaviour, understand how consumers interact with brands, identify trends and keep up with dynamic changes, and also benchmark and compare consumers across multiple countries. Let me briefly explain our methodology. Our consumer insights are conducted via online surveys, fully managed by our in-house team of consumer research experts. We talk to internet users between the ages of 18 to 64 all around the world. To guarantee that the results of the survey are representative, we apply stringent quota sampling on age, gender, and where possible, region when selecting respondents. In our extended survey, we offer more in-depth coverage on consumers' brand usage with a larger sample size, and results are updated at least 4 times a year. Whereas our basic survey offers a smaller yet robust sample size with at least 1 update a year. Check out this overview page to find out the list of countries interviewed with extended or basic surveys. When accessing our Consumer Insights tool for the first time, the easiest way is to start from the Consumer Insights landing page and then click Start Your Research and select any of the 56 countries from the drop-down. You may start searching using any keyword, either by product category, brand, topic, or socio-demographic variables. Our keyword search will show you all the relevant questions and data we captured based on your keyword. As you hover across the search results, you can find out how a question was asked and the options available for our consumers to choose from. In addition, you can choose from any of the categories we cover here. There are more than 50 categories across various industries, as well as over 15,000 brands covered in the survey. Select the item and display the results either as percentages, in absolute numbers, or you can visualize the data in a heat map or a bar chart. You have the ability to download this data in CSV and PowerPoint. When selecting your variables, they populate the row section, and when inserting a variable into the column section, you are able to cross-tabulate it with all other variables selected. Let's take a look at the United States. Which diets and nutrition rules do American consumers follow? Firstly, we will select United States as the country or territory. Next, we will select the relevant topic either by clicking on it or dragging and dropping it into row. We can see, for example, that 5% of US consumers are vegetarians. To compare these results against different income groups, we will select household income as an example. Click it and then drag and drop it into column to cross-tabulate the data. You can also sort your results by descending or ascending order. As you can see from the table, nutrition rules are more common among high-income consumers. They are more likely to be flexitarian, vegetarian, or vegan than middle or lower income groups, who are less likely to follow nutrition rules. Did you know that our Consumer Insights allows you to customize your own target group for analysis? You can choose to create your own target group to focus on the audience that matters most to your company, or simply select from the predefined popular target groups from the list. To customize your own target group, simply click here to begin. For example, if your target audience is female Gen Z in Germany and you want to find out which social media platform is best to reach them, you can select the relevant age and gender under demographics and build a multi-dimensional target group. Give your target group a name, confirm your selection by clicking Save and Close, and now your custom group is ready to be analysed. Simply drag and drop the target group into the column and select social network usage by brand. You can see that TikTok and Instagram are more popular platforms to reach the female Gen Z audience in Germany compared to the average German consumer, and they are less likely to use Facebook regularly. With access to data in 56 countries, you can easily compare and identify differences in consumer behaviour between those different regions. Let's take a look at how consumer attitudes towards online advertising vary across the UK, France, South Korea, and China. Select the question, click Compare at the top right corner, and select the countries you wish to benchmark. Chinese consumers stand out here, as more than a third of them have bought products because celebrities or influencers advertise them. Influencer marketing seems to be especially effective in China. You can even compare survey results against different survey periods since 2018 to see how these habits and behaviours have changed over time. In addition to our global survey, our brand KPI survey covers key performance indicators for brands in Germany, the United States, the UK, India, Mexico, and Brazil. When you are benchmarking your brand against competitors or looking at how a new brand performs, our brand KPI survey measures each brand in terms of awareness, popularity, usage, loyalty, and media buzz. We recognise how important it is for you to keep up with emerging trends and to understand how they influence consumers' purchasing decisions. That's why we've created exclusive additional deep dive surveys to expand our coverage on trending product categories or festivity occasions. Some examples being pets, beauty and cosmetics, sustainable consumption, and many more. Lastly, feel free to check out our methodology section to find out more detailed information on our methodology, questionnaire, and also the list of brands covered. Don't forget we're here to help you. Find details of your dedicated client success manager here and get in touch with us. Thank you for watching and check out our other videos.